Let's start the operation guide of this Kentoktool TX-4071 metal detector. First, need power on, the red button. LCD screen displays target ID, battery icon, disk, sends, coin depth. There is a light icon on the mode button. Hold and press this button to turn off and turn on the backlight. Kentoktool TX-4071 metal detector has 3 search modes. Mode button is also used to select all metal mode, and discrimination mode, sends displayed on the screen, means it is in all metal mode at this time. The detector is available for detecting all kinds of metal. When disk is on the LCD, you can choose to eliminate unwanted metals in this mode. For example, the first icon flashes, meaning some iron metal, such as nails, will be ignored in the detection process. Press the mode button again. The second icon will flash, meaning some gold, zinc, and nickel metals such as 1 cent, 5 cents, etc., will be ignored in the detection process. Press the mode button one more time. Both the first and second icons will flash, meaning the metal types corresponding to the 2 icons just mentioned will be ignored during the detection process. PP button is to select pinpoint mode. This mode is more accurate, which can help us find metal targets faster and easier. The 5 levels of coin depth on the right are used to display the possible distance of the target object. The higher the level, the closer the target object is. This is a vague concept. The value above does not represent the exact depth. In addition, in the all-metal mode, the coin depth icon also indicates the sensitivity level. We can increase or decrease the sensitivity by pressing the plus sign or minus sign buttons. There is also a headphone jack on the control box, which can be used with 3.5mm headphones. Gives you the opportunity to look for treasure in noisy street or beach, free from being disturbed. Now start enjoying your treasure hunting journey.